Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to make a screenshot using your Google Chrome. So you don't need any software, but you need an extension. So it doesn't matter which operating system you're using. So you go to Chrome, then you select any whatever you want to use. Okay, so we're gonna go to a website. We're gonna go to a website called Google Boy. We're just going there. You can visit anything you want to. boy.co.za. We say enter. Okay. So we can click on De Bruyne. Okay, we're here, right? So I want to make a screenshot of this. So what you do, you go to Chrome, you go to Google and say Chrome extension for screen. You select screenshot. So you scroll down, don't take any of these. I tried one of these when it was not working, so scroll down until you find the one which says go full page screen capture. You click there. It's gonna tell you to add the extension. You add it, you click here to add. I've added it already. So after adding, you go here and you look for that screen recorder. Let me see. Okay, let's add it once because it seems like it's not there. Add extension, go for okay, you add that, checks and say full screen, whatever capture, whatever stay. So it's already there now. After getting it, demo video, if you want to watch a video or whatever, so it's here. So what you do, you pin it to your browser. You click pin, so now you can see it's here. So now we're going to visit one of this De Bruyne. You click on capture. Once you click there, it does already, it's done. So it's gonna give you somewhere where it's gonna give you a chance to save. Okay, it's done. So it's gonna tell you to save. You can download as a PDF or save as an image. I'm gonna save as an image. Say allow. It's saved. You can see screen capture. You go to your downloads. You can see this is a screen capture we had. Not that. Something went wrong here, and it's shrinked. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna capture a second one. Let me delete 1, 2. I'm gonna delete this. We go back to De Bruyne here. Okay, we're gonna say capture. Clicked once. You know, sometimes most softwares, they want you to shut down something. So the reason why it went wrong, I'm sure you see this is the problem. Why? I think I should close this Chrome, then I'll go back, take it back. Okay, then we can choose any. Say go to Google Boy. You can go to any website you want. So we're gonna capture now the screen here. something is going on with this, because it could be the JavaScript into this web page. So that doesn't matter. We can go to, you can see I don't want it to be captured like this, so you might think that it's done like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to Amazon.com, enter. Okay, I'm gonna capture this screen. Click here once. Yeah, something went wrong. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna go to extension. We remove it and report abuse. I've been using it and it's been working perfect. After removing it, we go back. Click on any. Let's go to settings. We search for extension. No, we have extensions here. I'm sure we took it out. Right, so we can go back to Google and take this one called, let me see, Chrome extension for screenshot. Yeah, okay. Go full page, we done that. Go screenshot. Okay, we click that. Let's take one of these two. Okay, you see this, I'm gonna say get extension. I'm gonna add to Chrome, add it there, add extension. We're done. Okay, so doing that, it's advisable you close and you go back to Chrome. Choose whatever you want to choose. Say Amazon.com. Then you look for that extension. You click here. I have one. Pin it there. Full screenshot, whatever. Okay. You click on it. Yeah, this one. It's a full page. The reason with that one, I used it before also. It's now it's rolling on the page. To finish the page, it's done with the page. Okay, after doing that, you can see it's done, and it's gonna give you a chance to edit or to download. So I'm downloading it. I'm gonna save it there. I'll say screenshot PrtScn TV. Okay, we save. Some of them are good, some are not good. You can see we tested it too, and one worked. Okay, we're looking for screenshot PrtScn TV. Okay, we done that, but also it gave us okay, it's shrinked because it's longer. So now we can what? Zoom it in. So we're gonna test it again using let me see, I'll test it saying full page visible area. Okay, visible area doesn't take time because it's just something small. we're gonna save it like visible, and we save. Then we go here, look for visible. You can see it comes 100%. Yeah, well guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment box below.